This is me editing the video. Pag naparod nyo to, 2 years ago nang nakakalipas. Hi guys, good morning. So today is our oath-taking day. So it's July 15, 2024. Having a breakfast. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-vlog, no? Because I was super excited about this day. Tapos wala ko suotin. So kahapon lang din ako bumili ng damit ko. We're gonna prepare ourselves and update you guys later. Nakakatawa yung reaction.
Nag-aabang pa lang ng ng kasi. Tapos yung oras kayo, ganyan tayo. Lato ka, tumama ka sa... Nasa baba na kayo nagkita?
Oo.
Si magna cum laude ng ating buhay at mundo.
Oo, pinapanood pa nga nito.
Sa'yo, Aliw Theater. Tarado.
Oh. Baka may parada pa kayo.
Nandito tayo.
Use at the right decision.
Hearts are flowing, overflowing with happiness. The one wearing it is you. So,
Hereby solemnly swear, that I will support and defend, the Constitution of my ability, the duties and obligations incumbent, upon a legally authorized,
title, no. So that you will be my witnesses. Sabi, bakit kumonti ganun?
Something is better tell, but I don't wanna wait. Dali na eh.
Have a pleasant day, everyone. Congratulations. Serve the people.
Nawawala pa po kami.
Tama na. Picture. Picture.
Ayaw pa kasi